I just want to encourage somebody right now, because I know that there's a lot of persecution that's happening. You may be feeling a very strange offense coming from the enemy, just weights upon you. Persecution amongst close friends or family members, husbands against wives, wives against husbands. These things happen. Persecution for our faith. But I just want to encourage you to stand strong. Stand strong and believe. And that's what Jesus told the people when he was actually so-called late to Lazarus' death, and he didn't come before Lazarus died, and everyone was so upset about that, and then he bothered to stay a little bit longer away than what people thought he should. And in John chapter 11 verse 14, the word says that he speaks to the people and he says, I'm glad for your sakes that I was not there when Lazarus died, that you may believe. And that word believe is faith of God. It's having the faith of God. And so we need to know that when God shows up on the scene, we have to believe as he believes, and then a miracle is done. See, Jesus just wanted to do a miracle. And in the middle of your persecution, he wants to do a miracle, but you've got to believe. You got to have the faith of God and believe that he is going to come on the scene and glorify himself and do a miracle, just like he did when he raised Lazarus from the dead. He wanted to test the people. Hey, this is so that you may believe, and so a miracle may come forth and God may be glorified. And so I just want to encourage you, if you feel abandoned, forsaken, persecuted, left out, I'm just here to tell you, believe and have the faith of God, and a miracle is going to come, and he's going to rescue you, and God will be glorified. God is not late. He's right on time. Even though it appeared to be that way in John chapter 11, it appeared that he was late, but he was right on time with a miracle that glorified God and caused the people to know that he is the resurrection and the life. And God is going to show you he is the resurrection and he is the life in this situation that you're dealing with.